Jude asked if I wanted him to clean the wiper cowl on the customer's car. And in my head, I said to myself, I always wanted this highest level of service to our regular customers who support us. So I said, absolutely 100%. These guys have been coming here for 20 years to actually get it out of the fender well too, so it doesn't rot out. What a bad design. Mm-hmm. What a poor design on this Bronco, that leaves can get down in there and prematurely rot out your fender and your door. So blow it, take the air gun and try and do your best there. But a lot of customers don't realize that your wiper cowl requires maintenance. This car up here, I'm gonna lower it down and show you. This customer above us hasn't been coming here for 20 years. These customers taking care of the husband, the wife, all their children. Now all their children have cars. Even though they buy new cars and their older cars didn't require the maintenance that these vehicles do, even though you're paying a lot of money for these cars. And I don't know if that's in perspective. So we're doing an oil change on this guy. Typically we charge to clean out the wiper cowl. So that's all the way across. How you take care of your customers in the bays. I see so many cars that come from other shops and quick lubes and they wind up here right after there. The wiper cowls are clogged. I don't even think that they even offer that level of service there. But here, you know, I will show you the difference, although some of the customers may not even have a clue. Like, look, all this plant matter will decay and start rotting away all this stuff here. And this isn't from Jude doing it. This is just, look, it comes through here. This is all open. This is just a bad design. Just a bad design. All those leaves will sit down inside of here, and then these plastic pieces hold moisture and water, and then that will rot this all out. A lot of cars that are 10 years old with this, that aren't maintenance properly, you take these off, and there's rot underneath them. They hold water. That's a whole different level of service here. And some people don't even understand, what does that mean? My wiper cowl needs to be cleaned out. And now that you can actually see what that means, and every vehicle is different. This is like suitcases and the fenders on this Bronco, holding plant matter, trees, pollen, everything. Just like a bucket in those fenders. That's just a bad design. And if you don't keep them cleaned out and maintained, look, that's 30,000 miles on this car already, brand new car, that we're trying to maintenance this vehicle is the best that we possibly can. And if it has a sunroof, which it does, the sunroof probably should get a little hot soapy water through all the drains. But most people don't even do that. They wait till the sunroof starts destroying their interior and soaking their carpet before they even know there's a problem, because nobody recommends the maintenance for it. It's pretty simple. Open it up, take some warm soapy water or hot soapy water, pour it into channels and flush all that material out. Your sunroof is not sealed from the inside of the car, hence when it's clogged, it rains inside your car. Thanks for watching.